Hey guys, hey yogis, welcome to the mat. We're starting in Prasarita today, yeah? Just get situated, just fix your garments and get comfortable in Prasarita. Open up the hips through your sitting bones to the back of the room and just open up the chest into a nice, easy shoulder rotation. We're going to get into inversions today. We're getting upside down and just getting into our back flip in wheel. And just playing hip plays and opening up our hips more and just getting comfortable in a topsy-turvy way, okay? So just stay situated, slurp in 2 breaths here. And as you do so, really try to feel the pelvic bone starting to open up, okay? Open up the pelvic floor. Go in and out. Good. If it's possible, the crown of your head will now start to touch the ground. And you just get situated, okay? Before you take off, just make sure that you can really feel that pelvic flow all the way up here, opening, okay? Good. Open up the hips here. Good. Come down. I'm just gonna come down. I didn't fix my garment. Did not tuck in my shirt, otherwise it will just be all over the place. So you just take off and you're in inversions now. Make sure you're not in your neck at all. The best way to guarantee that you're not in the neck at all is if you rotate your shoulders manually, lift up the sternum and you get into back bends, okay? You try to come up with the upper arms, the biceps and the triceps to lift up the torso. Good. This way you are not in the neck at all, but you're in the upper chest area. Good. Just breathe in, breathe out. Nice and easy. And you feel your transversus abdominis, your obliques are very, very much engaged here. Good. Draw in and out. Good. Engage the abs, the obliques. Feel like you're rooting in and out. Breathe in. Good. Beautiful. Beautiful. As you come standing, try to poke out the glutes, okay? Feel like the glutes are very, very much involved, okay? Good. Really poke out, flex and point. And if it feels good, come down. Good. Beautiful. Now we're going to come to tripod here. Beautiful. Very good. Very supported here. Oh, beautiful. Really try to bend at the tailbone and feel like the feet are really, really suspended. Your thighs are in suspense here. And as you come into scorpion, I want you to feel your back bend really get stronger. So we are in arm stands here. Really just try to amplify the pelvic floor. Stretch as much as possible here. Good. Don't give up. Just hold on here. There are many health benefits to being upside down. Lowering your blood pressure. Your endocrine system, releasing happy hormones, is really beneficial, multifactorial. It's really a multifactorial ingenious blend, okay? Get upside down. And as we do so, we open up our chest because when you're here, feel like the upper chest, the upper arms are very, very much involved. Give you that suspense. Beautiful. Nice and easy. Nice with control. Beautiful. Lift it back.
As you come up straight, open out the glutes. Good. Walk out the glutes as much as it is possible. Beautiful. Good. To come down. Nice and controlled, okay? Feel like you're very, very well supported here. Beautiful. Just flow, okay? Really, really flow. Flow with it, okay? Good. Come down. Gently.
So now we're going to come into our back flip and wheel. And as we do so, we really just get comfortable here, okay? Just take time to relax and open up the shoulders. And then we're not going to make it all the way up shoulder rotation, okay?
If you try to come into a tug here, it feels good. Tug. Okay, second side. Beautiful. Beautiful. Good.
Open up, come into wheel, raise up. In time, the spine will form a perfect bow. Beautiful. I love the sensation. You really feel that the entire frame of the body is so engaged, your whole inertia is taken completely out, and you feel energized and need more energy. Good. Just lift up the tailbone. This is really the reconfiguring moment. It's like a variation of bridge pose of sorts, okay? Good. Come down and take it from the same side. Try to hold in your abs as much as possible so that you're protecting the lower back, okay? Good. As you come up, the trick is to make sure that you don't move your elbows at all. You see, like I moved my elbow on one side. And usually is when you didn't warm up enough and the hips are still tight. To the extent of the tightness of the hips, on which side you didn't stretch more, you try to compensate really by lifting or moving the elbow up. Just try to make sure you're really, really comfortable here. Nice and strong, beautiful. Nice strong abs. Beautiful. Don't hold your breath. Crown of the head, easy down. Good. We'll do it one more time on this side. Beautiful. Now, as you come up, just try to really, really come up nice and controlled, okay? This is a little feather that came up here on the mat. Good. Lift up into a wheel. Want to bridge pose? You can just try to lift up even more. Good. Now we're going to repeat this for the last time. For our first class. And then we're going to move on, okay? But it's
also very, very important that as we come up, try to make sure it's so nice and controlled. It requires a lot of ab work, okay? A lot of ab strength. Lift it like a lever. Beautiful. It's very strengthening for the spine, the endocrine system as well, especially. You're waking up the endocrine system a lot here. And it has a lot of health benefits, okay? So we should not sleep on our back flips and our back bends, okay? There's a lot of potential, a lot of blood plasma getting circulated, as well as fresh, invigorating nourishment to the cells, okay? Try to supplement it with iron, with an iron-rich diet to just help the detox process get to maximize the good more, okay? Good. And now we're going to move into our fish pose before we come into our plow pose. It really just opens up the upper body. So if you're not familiar with fish pose, you can start in hero's pose, okay? Or try hero's and camel pose, so just open up the back and get your back bends, it gets easier, okay? Good. So here's camel. So this is hero's pose. Get it comfortable to sit. You stay seated on your feet. And then camel pose is just shooting up, okay? Good. Beautiful. So then you come into fish pose, open a hand, I like fish pose. Just opens up the upper chest a little more. But also aware and present. Slowly. And then we need to move down into our plow pose. As you come to plow, the secret is to really come with the upper chest area, okay? Don't hold your breath. You can start off in a heavy baby and then work your way up into, in fact, let's start heavy baby. Just open up the heavy baby pose here. Open up the hips, release the lower back, especially. Muscles, just get relaxed here. The diaphragm of the spine needs to be as relaxed as possible, okay? All in. Just lift up. Good. Good. Don't hold your breath. Eyes still calm, relax. Breathe. Good. Going to close up here in a nice gratitude breath. So this is our first class. We're closing our first class and then we'll move on to the presentation class. Okay, thank you so much for joining me in our first class. I'll see you on the next one. Okay, if you've watched this far, please hit the like button so that the video can be pushed out to more people in the algorithm. Okay, as well as hitting the notification bell. If you're so in the zone right now, it's because of the presence of the dopamine, the cortisol, and the blood flow that is now flowing to the head, which is really one of the benefits of being upside down. You get to feel this rush. It lowers the blood pressure as well. Very, very invigorating. It lifts it. It's a natural mood lifter. Okay? Especially if you have anxiety or you're managing stress, it's very good. It has so many health benefits, as well as managing your glands as well, because of the supine pose that we come as well. And the lungs will get filled to capacity, as well as the heart is like a massage for the heart.